Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. Today we'll be trying a new to me protein rich deep conditioner. Y'all know even though I have low porosity hair, I stand for protein. I have fine natural hair. I have damage and breakage prone natural hair. So I don't know about you and your house, but as for me and mine, we need protein. So I'll be trying out a new one. This is the Mill Creek Botanicals Keratin Repair Formula Conditioner. It's supposed to improve elasticity. Use that degree, girl. It's supposed to improve elasticity, renew inner strength, and naturally beautiful. All right, thanks. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It's a big ol' 32 fluid ounce container, and I only paid $7.99. So if you are somewhere in Marshall's, TJ Maxx, you may be able to pick this up. I'm not sure, but I think it's on Amazon or some other website, so I will link it down below. You're not gonna get no 32 ounces for $8, but it's still an affordable product. We getting into it, but I did not do my typical YouTube disclaimer. Let me do that right quick. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. It really does support my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here and you've never seen my face, but like my face, definitely be sure to subscribe so you can stick around, and you may want to turn on your post notifications because one thing YouTube is going to do is play games. So definitely turn them on if you want to see me consistently. Let's go back to this. So it is vegan, it is paraben free, and it's sulfate free. It's also silicone free, but they didn't say that on the package, but it is because I looked at the ingredients. The first 5 ingredients are deionized water, aloe vera juice, hydrolyzed keratin, and that's really the reason that I got it, because hydrolyzed keratin is the 3rd ingredient and our hair is made up of keratin. It's supposed to be an intensive protein treatment in a conditioner base. Sounds like another product, but this is, way more affordable. 4th ingredient is cetearyl alcohol, which is a fatty alcohol, as well as polysorbate 60. ApHogee who? So let's get into it. First thing we're gonna do is take off this wig.
Y'all know? Y'all know?
So I washed my hair. I've already done my Prepoo. I did an overnight Prepoo with my fenugreek and aloe Prepoo. If you haven't seen that video, you can definitely check it out. It's a DIY and it's amazing. Then I went in with a shampoo, a new to me shampoo, which was actually really good. So I will link it. It has a nice scent. Smells real sweet. Smells sweet. So my hair is damp. Like I said, it's been several hours. Oh, it's like real creamy too, y'all. And lightweight. This is definitely not marketed towards us. It's definitely for our Caucasian brothers and sisters, but we're gonna share. We're gonna share in this lusciousness if it's a win. Even though I like to alternate weekly between a deep conditioner and a strengthening treatment, every 6 weeks, on the books now. I've been doing it consistently for the past few months. Every 6 weeks, I like to go in with an intensive protein, something that has protein at the top of the ingredient list, just to strengthen my hair. As I said, it's the left for me. It's the left for me. My hair is low-key, y'all, getting long. And sometimes I don't notice because, it's my hair, I'm doing it. But then I come on camera and I'm like, wait, this entire section did not stretch out like this before, It was like one hair and now it's all the hairs. This is supposed to be the ultimate repairing conditioner. This exclusive formula uses keratin packed with essential amino acids to repair, protect, and strengthen the hair. Organic aloe vera, panthenol, and argan oil propel this formula to the next level to give your hair renewed inner strength for greater elasticity, reduce breakage, and a natural healthy bounce. Alright y'all, so I'm done applying the protein treatment. I'm going to be honest, it looks like it's lightweight, that it's not going to do nothing, that it's not going to offer much, but my hair feels kind of stiff. It feels stiff like when I do an ApHogee treatment. Obviously, like, it has more movement and stuff because it is a conditioner. I'm just talking about how my hair actually feels. It does not feel soft. Like, there's a bit of softness, but there's that rough texture from keratin. It definitely has that, so I wouldn't try to play with it too much. Now I'm just going to gently, and I mean gently, braid my hair into big sections just to keep it stretched. Because one thing a protein treatment will do is cause those curls to shrink. And I don't want my hair to shrink too much that it mats or tangles. So we're just gonna braid it up. Alright y'all, literally soaking wet, coming to you to see my hair. My curls look really good. There's like a lot of definition, even in areas where it tends to frizz. So I'm loving that. It may look like it's not gonna give you that pop, but it will. Definitely will. My hair actually looks really good. Even though this product looks like the ApHogee 2 Minute Reconstructor, which is the lighter formula, it definitely acts more like the 2-step protein treatment. So it's definitely more of your intensive protein treatment, but I am happy with that. And for the price, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Definitely something that I will continue to use. I mean, I got 32 ounces of it, so definitely will continue to use it. I love how it's making my curls look. Like, I feel like my curls just look super duper healthy, so definitely will continue to use it. So check it out, because sis, wait. I do wish that I got a little bit more moisture, but for the price, can't complain. Well, that's my review, y'all. If you try this product, definitely let me know how you like it. If you've never heard about it and you're thinking about picking it up because of this review, definitely let me know also. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. I'm about to deep condition because I need it. Bye, y'all.